The problem is, like, I always push the videos to be better. And so in a world where I'm like, all right, this is like the level where it's good, then it would be fine. Yeah. Because like the second I solve a problem and we catch up and like, boom, it's like, okay, well now I want to start doing CG like Squid Games. And it's like, all right, we solved that. And now it's not as stressful. And it's like, okay, well now I want bigger sets. You know, like this is one of the bigger videos we've done. It's like, now I want Squid Games every video.
What makes you happy
my team's like, what, bro, we can't spend $4 million every video. We can't do sets like this. This is impossible. This is a one-off. And I'm like, but no, now I know it's possible.
Yeah.
So like, I want to do it every video. And so it's like, then, you know, you solve that and you keep pushing and pushing and pushing. And it's like, so that's the reason why I'm always stressed. But it's like, it's not like anyone's forcing me to do it. Yeah. It's just like, it just feels like it runs in my blood. Like if I'm not pushing and innovating, then I just get depressed and I'm like, what am I doing? Like, well, what's the point of life?
Innovation is what makes you happy.
Exactly. It makes life so exciting.
Innovation is extremely difficult.
Exactly. And it's miserable. And then you push and then you're like, oh, this is hard. And then you're like, well, why am I even doing this? And then you're like, I'm going to go watch anime. And then you come back and you're like, all right, let's do it. Wow.